Here is the Nexxus conditioner. It smells very good. This is like salon used as well. So it's meant for revitalizing and helps to heal damaged hair. I like that it also contains keratin protein and black rice. So it's something interesting and different on the market. This is also used at salon. I've definitely seen it used at my salons. So I tried getting one myself as well, and I just love it. I love the smell of it. It gives a very professional salon vibe when using it. So I would recommend those who are trying out like the different Nexxus brands to give this a shot. I like the smell of this, and it's a big bottle that will last you a while as well. And since I've used it, I haven't noticed any like great hair loss or anything, and my hair smells amazing afterward. So I would recommend those who are looking to try to give it a shot.